But here it's legume.
So, ano ba yung ating kakainin? Gusto ko yung ensimada, yung niluto mo kahapon. Good morning! Good morning! Happy Sunday! Today is Sunday, guys. Nandito tayo sa Banff. Actually, papuntang Banff. So, nag-stretching lang kami. And paalis na rin kami.
Dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Let's go. Let's go.
Baby, want Starbucks or McDo?
Okay, you go Starbucks. We go McDonald's. You go Starbucks. I'm going McDonald's. I like McDonald's.
Really? Why?
Yeah, I like McDonald's.
Aren't you at the machine?
So let's go with tea.
Because I want black coffee.
Oh,
You want black coffee, right?
yeah.
Go Starbucks. Okay, let's go.
I don't. Baby, they want McDo.
No, I
There.
want Starbucks.
Come.
Next time, McDonald's. No, Starbucks.
We're being
What do you guys just go for?
McDonald's.
He's cold.
No, it's okay.
Ang lamig pala dito.
Of course, you are surrounded by the mountains. Happy Father's Day to all fathers. At sa ating mga nanonood, especially kay Tatay, Happy Father's Day. So, nandito tayo sa downtown ng Banff. Malamig dito. Busy kasi maraming nagmamarathon. Kaya maraming tao. Pero maganda yung weather kasi maaraw siya. And syempre, kasama natin yung Fambam. And si Remy! Sana hindi umulan kasi sabi sa forecast uulan mamaya. So yun guys, I hope you stay tuned. Remy, come here. Down? Up. Yeah, let's walk around a little bit here. So nice and sunny. Pero malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Okay lang, carry lang. Bumili lang kami ng McDonald's kasi di ba kami kumakain ng breakfast. Diretso kami sa kotse. Nakapark yung sasakyan doon. This way, I think. Nakapark yung sasakyan namin doon. Kakain muna kami ng breakfast. Yung ginawa ni sister na pandesal. Not pandesal. Ensaymada. Gusto kong ensaymada at saka black coffee. So, yun. I think, ayun sila, naghihintay kasi nag-washroom din kami. Hi, Sisi! So, ano ba yung ating kakainin? Gusto ko yung ensimada, yung niluto mo kahapon.
With cheese.
Yan. Kain natin to with coffee. Kain muna tayo.
Ano?
Ours is oblong.
Ha?
Oblong.
Ang
Ang amin yung ham.
sarang hindi ham.
So, kain muna tayo ng breakfast, guys.
Sa ilalim lahat.
Meron ako ditong ensimada. Ang sarap ng ensimada. Sarap.
Hindi malambot.
Malambot. Inggit na naman. So, yung ating plano for today is magpunta sa dalawang lake. Tsaka dito sa may... Dito lang sa downtown. Ang ganda dito, ang daming patio. And si Remy, nagwo-walking. Remy! Remy! Sarap maglakad pag ganito ang weather. Sunny. Naman yung araw sa likod ko, oh. Santing na santing. Remember this place, babe? Mexican.
Oh yeah, I remember.
We ate on the rooftop or here? I don't remember.
We once down here and then once on the rooftop.
Yeah, 2 beses kaming kumain dito. Sarado pa siya. Nung first time kaming nagpunta dito sa Banff, yan, diyan kami kumain. Tapos, nung last summer na nagpunta kami dito, diyan din kumain kami.
Down this way.
Yeah. Hindi masyadong madaming tao kasi maraming nagmamarathon. Still quiet. People are not here. They're busy running. So yan, we're here at downtown. May fire pit dito. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa downtown. Excited na excited masyado si Remy. Oh, Remy! Nathan, hello! Keep walking. Keep walking. Ito hindi masyadong madaming tao, tsaka wala masyadong sasakyan.
It's like a car.
Yeah? Dollarama? So yan, I think dito yung I think this is the main street. Kaya busy dito. Maraming sasakyan. Remy, stop it! Before, now it's expensive. Caribou, we checked in here last 2021.
Why now it's expensive?
Because it's getting famous.
Ah.
We're gonna cross here or there?
Wherever you want.
We're going here that way.
Fluffy. Remy's active.
Oh, good.
Remy! Remy! Come here, Remy! Come here! Remy! No. Ayun na si sister. Magluluto na ng lunch. Alam niyo guys, ang daming tao dito. Nandito kami sa Johnson Lake. Ito yung first time na pinuntahan namin nung nagpunta kami dito sa Alberta. Yan o, ang daming tao. Makikita nyo sa paligid ko. Yeah, nag-rent kami.
Baby, you know how
Yeah,
to use
there.
it?
No, I'm waiting.
Apo tayo guys. Chill-chill tayo dito sa ilalim ng araw. Si sister bumili ng upuan. Ito sa... Saan niya nga ito nabili? So ito si sister, bumili siya ng upuan sa Bass Pro. Mura lang daw to, $14.99. So chill-chill tayo dito. Ang daming tao dito. Mga nakaupo doon malapit sa lake. Magluluto kami kasi ang oras is exactly 12 o'clock. So, hinintay lang namin si Mikey kasi siya magkakabit ng propane tank. Hindi kami marunong. And si Remy. Here's Remy. He's looking for his father. Lost father. You miss your father already? Are your mommy is here?
Mommy, you have chair?
Yes, I don't know.
Here. You bought only 2?
Padala yata yung inyo.
Oh.
Padala mo yun.
Sisi, kaya pa?
No
Gam-
time.
Gamit niya kasi yung cast iron. Masyadong mainit.
No.
Kaya pa sis? Nagluluto siya ng spring roll tsaka bangos. Kita niyo ang daming tao, oh. Diba? May nagsuswim pa. How's the burn
No, wow, is it good?
spring roll?
No, it's good. The sun is good.
You know what is that?
Pork?
That's turkey.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because they cannot eat pork.
Cheap pork.
That's good.
Yeah.
Grind the
Thanks.
white. Make
Let's eat na guys. Hi Talia.
you do like that.
Are you done
Naubos
eating?
mo yung isang kalahating ganito ah.
Naubusan niya yung spring roll. Sarap na sarap siya. So ayan guys, mag-lunch na tayo.
Give mo yung fish.
Yeah. Help yourself. How's it, Ron?
Yeah, it's good.
Good? How is it, babe?
Very good. Delicious.
Where are you? How's your lunch?
It's delicious. Yeah, thank you.
Don't have rice.
Next time, if we
He forgot the rice.
if we will be more organized next time, we can find a quiet spot somewhere around.
Lagay natin yung pickled papaya ni sister kasi wala tayong pinakurat. Ayan yung ating water. Yung ating
Remy, it's not your skin.
salted egg.
It's a present.
Water.
Remy, it's ready. And we will play like you throw.
With ice then.
May lagyan mo nga ako dito. Hindi ko maato. Itaob mo. Ay, itaob. Ano. Tas mo ng konti. Kain tayo ng salted egg.
Remy, you want me to
Meron kaming 2 kinds of
Wow. What kind of two types? What do you mean?
barbecue.
Oh, barbecue kasi nasunog. Kain tayo sa ilalim ng araw.
Hindi ka man takot.
No, nag-sunblock na ako. Yung ibang tao umalis na. Kasi umambo na, takot sila. Dito lang kami, hindi kami umalis.
Daddy, when we go,
We're gonna sleep here. Natalia.
yes.
Can you pass me the chili, please?
Nawala na mga tao.
Natakot nga sa ulan.
Buti walang
Thank you.
langaw.
Oo nga. Ay, babe, there's no fly?
Daddy,
No, I'm surprised.
Mm.
this one too hard for me. I want to throw.
Ano ko ba boneless?
I don't know.
Careful with the Leah in the mud. Dalia.
Doon kami kumakain kanina. Punta daw kami doon sa isang lake. So, after nating kumain at mag-chill-chill, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Narinig yung nasa paligid ko, guys. Ang lakas ng tagos ng batis. Ang sarap maligo. Nakaka-relax yung tagos ng tubig. Fresh water talaga yan. Meron pa dito. And meron pa dito.